Openclaw plus Qwen 3.5 is insane. Openclaw just got a massive upgrade, and when you pair it with Qwen 3.5, it can see, code, and automate your whole workflow for free on your own machine. No subscriptions, no data leaks, just raw AI power. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and use it to grow your business with AI automation. Now, let me tell you why this combo is a big deal. Most people are paying monthly for AI tools, ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, Gemini Advanced. And yeah, those tools are great, but what if you could get vision, coding, tool calling, and agentic AI all running locally on your machine for free with 208,000 GitHub stars behind it? That's what Openclaw plus Qwen 3.5 gives you, and that open loop I just teased. We're going to get into exactly how to use this for real business automation. Stick around. Openclaw is an open source, cross-platform AI assistant that runs straight in your terminal. It's MIT licensed, which means you can use it, modify it, and build on it for free. No paywalls, no lock-in. It's got over 208,000 stars on GitHub, which tells you, hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. This is not some random side project. This thing has serious traction. It runs with a TUI, which stands for Terminal User Interface. That basically means you get a clean, keyboard-driven interface right in your command line. No browser needed, no Electron app eating your RAM, just fast, local AI that stays on your machine. Here's what makes Openclaw special: it's local first. Your files stay on your computer, your data doesn't get sent to some cloud server unless you want it to. It supports multiple AI providers through simple config files, so you can plug in whatever model you want. And it supports tool calling, which means the AI doesn't just chat, it actually takes action. It also has Telegram integration and now vision support, which is a big deal. We're going to talk about that in a second. Qwen 3.5 is Alibaba's latest multimodal AI model, released around mid-February 2026. And it's a monster. Here's what it brings to the table. First, native vision language fusion. That means it can look at images and reason about them alongside text. Second, the Plus variant has a 1 million token context window, 1 million. That means you can feed it entire code bases, long documents, massive data sets, and it won't forget what it saw at the start. Third, it has built-in tool use, including search and a code interpreter. Fourth, on coding and instruction following benchmarks, it's topping charts right now. So when you combine Openclaw's local agentic framework with Qwen 3.5's raw model power, you get something really interesting. You get a local AI agent that can see images, write and run code, call tools, work with your files, and automate complex tasks all from your terminal. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Openclaw plus Qwen 3.5. The link is in the comments and description. Let me give you a real example so this doesn't stay abstract. Say you're running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You've got landing pages to test, content to create, members to onboard, automations to build. Right now, a lot of that takes time. You're either doing it manually or you're bouncing between 5 different tools. With Openclaw plus Qwen 3.5, you can set up an agent that handles that. You can point it at your files, give it access to your tools, and let it work through tasks end to end. And because it runs locally, your business data stays private. This is the future of AI automation for serious operators, not just chatting with an AI, actually deploying it like a team member. Let's get practical. Here's how you actually get this running. Step 1, install Openclaw. It's cross-platform, so it works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. You go to the GitHub repo, follow the install instructions, and you're up in minutes. Because it's terminal-based, it's lightweight and fast. Step 2, connect to Qwen 3.5. You've got 2 main options here. First option is the API route. Alibaba has an API for Qwen models. You grab your API key, drop it into Openclaw's config file, specify the model, and you're connected. Second option is Ollama. If you want full local offline inference, you run Qwen 3.5 through Ollama on your own hardware. This means 0 external calls. Everything stays on your machine. For most people with a decent GPU, this is the move. Step 3, configure your tools. Openclaw supports tool calling through its config. You can enable file access so the agent can read and write files on your system. You can enable the code interpreter so it can write and run code. You can connect search. You can set up Telegram so you can trigger and receive responses from your phone. This part is where the real power is. Step 4, test vision. Once you've got Qwen 3.5 connected, you can pass it images. You point it at a screenshot, a diagram, a UI, a PDF scan, and it can reason about what it sees and take action based on that. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Let me show you how you'd actually use this in the real world. Use case 1. Analyze landing page performance. Let's say you screenshot your AI Profit Boardroom landing page. You pass that image into Openclaw with Qwen 3.5 vision enabled. Your prompt is something like, look at this landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Identify 3 things that might be stopping people from signing up and give me specific copy improvements to fix each one. It looks at the image, reads the layout, reads the copy, and gives you a concrete action plan. No guessing, no hiring a consultant. Use case 2, automate content analysis. You've got a folder of video scripts, blog posts, or community posts. You point Openclaw at that folder and say, read through all of these. Identify the top 5 topics that are getting the most engagement. Give me a content calendar for next month based on those. It reads your files, analyzes them, and outputs a structured plan. Use case 3. Build an onboarding automation. You want every new AI Profit Boardroom member to get a personalized welcome message based on how they found you and what their goals are. You give Openclaw a template and a member data file and say, generate personalized onboarding messages for each of these members based on their intake form answers. It runs through the whole list and outputs ready to send messages. Use case 4, code your automations. If you're building AI workflows, Zapier replacements, or custom scripts to automate your business operations, you can use Openclaw plus Qwen 3.5 as your coding partner. It writes the code, explains it, and even runs it in the terminal to test it. Right there, locally with no limits. Use case 5, screenshot to action. You see a competitor's page, an ad, or a UI element you want to replicate or improve. You screenshot it, pass it to the agent and say, recreate this layout for the AI Profit Boardroom with better copy and a stronger CTA for people who want to automate their business with AI. It outputs the HTML, the copy, the structure, done. I need to pause on this because it's huge and most people are sleeping on it. 1 million tokens is roughly 750,000 words. That is an entire novel. That is an entire code base. That is months worth of community posts and member data all fed in at once. What this means practically is you can give Qwen 3.5 your full business context, your SOPs, your audience research, your past content, your member feedback, everything, and then ask it to make decisions or create content with full context. No more losing the thread halfway through a conversation. No more starting fresh every session.